Why don't you check out these cool software testing jobs? Today we will talk about 4 of them: Software QA Analyst, Software Development Engineering Test, Performance Tester, and Security Tester. So come along, take this journey with me as I introduce you to these software testing jobs. Let's go! Which role has your name on it? Do you have the superpower of testing things? Are you any of the following? A person who just started off in software testing, or a person who has a knack for user experience interacting with business users? If that's the case, you might be a good fit for a software QA analyst. With that being said, there are some cool things that are happening in software testing with AI. So are you ready for some tech magic? Let's check out these 3 incredible ways AI is taking software testing to a whole new level. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, AI in test case creation. Basically, test cases are scripts that are used to test the system to ensure that they suit the user's requirements. By default, these are done manually. But sometimes it can be a tedious process to come up with so many test cases in order to satisfy those requirements. This is where AI can help you. AI can help you in generating those test cases based on the requirements you present in the prompts. It can also generate negative test cases, which are test cases to ensure that the system does not behave in an undesirable way. An example of this is a very popular platform that you know today, ChatGPT. Depending on what you enter in the prompt, it will output some test scenarios based on the requirements you put in there. Here is an example of using ChatGPT to create manual test cases. In this example, someone put in the prompt that they want test cases to prepare sample test cases to test a file upload. So based on the prompt, ChatGPT came up with more than 2 test cases. I could only highlight 2 at this time. One, of course, to check for a successful file upload, and 2, to check to see if you can do a file upload with an unsupported file type. And you see that it also nicely outlines the preconditions, the test steps, and possible expected results. Okay, ChatGPT, time for your first task. Create a test case template so that I can add my test cases. Let's see what it comes up with. Wow, pretty impressive. Okay, so it has a test case ID, your name, description, environment, preconditions, which are any conditions that must be met before executing the test case, and it seems to pretty much capture all the fields that are required in a test case. I like it so far, and I like the fact that in each section of the template, it specifies what each section is for, so that somebody who is new to test case creation, they can have some idea as to what should go in these different fields. Pretty comprehensive, down to the test steps, the test data, the expected results, and the actual results. Pretty comprehensive. I'm impressed so far.